If you want to clone an app on a Motorola Moto G56, then first of all we can go to settings. Once you go to settings, we can scroll down in order to find apps, and then over here you should be able to find the cloned apps option. You should be able to find the list of all apps that you have on your phone that you can duplicate. If you want to create the duplicated version, then of course we can press this plus button, and after a short while you should have a second version of the app. There we go. So now you should be able to go, for example, to the app drawer in order to find the cloned app, which of course contains different data, different settings, different accounts, and so on and so forth. And unfortunately, this option, as you can see, is very limited. Only selected apps can be duplicated. There is an alternative that allows you to technically duplicate any app that you wish. So in order to use that alternative version, we need to go to security and privacy, and over here go to more security and privacy. You should be able to find secure folder, which is not exactly a feature that is used specifically for duplicating apps, but it can be used for that. So I'm gonna allow notifications. Over here, let's press continue, let's tap on this arrow, then we need to sign into our Google account. Secure folder is pretty much a separate environment where we can store different apps, different data, and so on and so forth, privately of course, because we have to set up a password for that. And let's wait for the next screen to appear. So like I said, we will have to set up a password. The access to the secure folder will be locked behind that password, but since it is a separate environment, we can add one more time the same app that we already have outside of the secure folder. So over here I'm gonna choose a simple pin code for the secure folder. Let's proceed. There we go. And then you should be able to see the secure folder. So over here we can also activate the secure folder recovery. I don't need to use it, so I'm just gonna set up later. And we can also use fingerprint unlock in order to have quicker access to the secure folder. So if you want to, you can set it up. I'm gonna choose maybe later. So this is the secure folder. In order to find it, we can go to the app drawer, and in my case it is here. We can also find it by going to the Moto Secure app. Over here, if we proceed, then we should be able to find it over here, secure folder. So every time we try to open the secure folder, we need to enter the password. And in order to duplicate something, we have two options. You can tap on this plus button in the bottom right corner and then choose add apps. And then you should be able to choose an app that you already have installed on your phone. So let's say I'm gonna choose WhatsApp again. As you can see, the list is much bigger, so let's say I'm gonna also choose TikTok, and let's press this check in order to add these apps. And as you can see, these apps have been added, and they contain different data than the same apps that we have outside. So as you can see here, I have WhatsApp, but if I go back to the app drawer, I have WhatsApp here as well, and of course the duplicated version. So technically I can have 3 WhatsApp apps in total. And TikTok has been duplicated as well. And like I said, just to remind you, everything that you have inside the secure folder is different because it contains separate data. So this is also quite important to note that if you decide to add an app over here, then no data will be transferred. You will have a clear or clean app pretty much. Now, besides that, we can also tap on this Play Store icon in the top right corner in order to jump to the Play Store, and whatever you install using this Play Store, it will be installed in that secure folder, but not outside of it. So if I decide to install, let's say, this Shazam app over here, then once it is installed, it will be in the secure folder. So this is quite of a difference. It is that's what I mean when I said that this is not specifically a feature for cloning apps, but it can be used for that. So as you can see here, Shazam has not been added. So this is how we can use the secure folder in order to duplicate apps. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.